like this, for example, was a universe box that I had made because I was just thinking about if I have 6 sides, what are the 6 kind of layers of dimensionality? You can have your carbon atom, you can have a quasi-crystal molecule, you can have, the lunar cycle, the solar cycle, galaxies, the universe. Thinking about different scales of reality. If you add a quantum and life at biological level.
Supposing this is rotating in space, group of stars, there's mass attraction pull of another set of stars, and one then, this is trying to turn, and then it restrains this. What happens when you do that would be then...
What exactly is kinetic geometry?
I mean, if we break down those 2 words, what is kinetic geometry? It's kinetic, so when we're talking about kinetics, it's always related to motion. And geometry is, of course, 3-dimensional geometry, which the structure is kind of made from. I think rather than kind of me teaching something, the idea here is just kind of providing tools that would enable you to kind of use it in many different fields. Just being able to think 3-dimensionally. How do you kind of apply the principles of science to design? Just the principles of tensegrity and natural-based form as opposed to form that is based on Newtonian physics I think it'll revolutionize material science. So as opposed to kind of teaching something that's very tailor-made towards one profession or one thing, kind of helping teach or enable people to think in ways that will help them kind of navigate many different skill sets. These are inspired by these structures called tensegrity structures. Now, tensegrity, if you look at the word, it's a breakdown of 2 words, tensile integrity. And what happens is, if you see, like, I can either open the structure from here, I can open it from here, or close it from here, or anywhere kind of on the piece.
The tensegrity structure. I want you to see something with me in pure principle.
My name is Prithvi, and I am currently a conceptual artist. But for the past 5 years or so, I've been doing kind of many different things. Grass is greener on the other side, so just keep chasing whatever you're doing. Don't be satisfied with where you are.